Welcome to this Max lesson, Adding a Ship-Through Address. During this lesson, you will learn how to create ship-through addresses in Max. These addresses represent intermediate locations, for example, a distribution warehouse or a broker for international shipments, through which you may route customer shipments. Let's get started on learning how to add a ship-through address in Max. Adding a ship-through address in Max is a simple process that consists of the steps as seen here. First, you will choose the customer to create the ship-through location for. You will populate the required fields, and the new ship-through address can then be used when shipping sales orders to intermediate locations, such as distribution warehouses. To access the Ship-Through Maintenance screen, click on Sales Order Processing module from the System Manager. Select the Activity menu, highlight SOP Data, highlight Ship Address Data, and finally, click on Ship-Through from the menu. You'll then see the Ship-Through Address Maintenance window open. This is where we'll be entering all of the information that's pertinent to the ship-through address that we'll be adding to the system. Enter a ship code, then the name and address information for the intermediate location. You can also double-click to browse and choose from the existing ship codes. This field will hold up to 10 user-defined alphanumeric characters. In the Name field, enter the name of the ship-through location. Fill in the address information as needed in the Address 1 through 6 fields. Next, populate the City field. In the State field, enter a U.S. state description, or up to 30 characters are available for international shipping addresses. In the User-Defined Key field, you may enter a 15-character user-defined value that Max will save along with the ship-through code. In the User-Defined Reference field, you may enter a 25-character user-defined value that will be saved along with the ship-through code. Now that all of the pertinent information has been defined for this ship-through address, click the Add button to save this new address into the system. Once successful, a message indicating that the record has been saved will appear on the screen. To exit this screen, click the Close button. As you have seen in this lesson, adding a ship-through address in Max is a simple process that consists of the steps we've covered here. First, you will choose the customer to create the ship-through location for. You will populate the required fields, and the new ship-through address can then be used when shipping sales orders to intermediate shipping destinations. And that completes this Max lesson on setting up ship-through addresses in the Sales Order Processing module. Now that you have completed this lesson, you should understand how to set up one or more ship-through addresses in Max for a customer that you will not be shipping to their final destination, but rather shipping through a location such as a distribution warehouse. Be sure to check out the related Max lesson called Adding a Ship-to Address for more shipping information. Thank you from Exact Training.